Once upon a time, on the Isle of Sodor, the Fat Controller had special jobs for all of his engines. His first task was for his very special engine, Lady. "Hello, Lady. I need you to pick up all my pets. They've run away from home."
Okay, Fat Controller, I'm going to do it really fast.
I knew you were the right engine for the job. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'll be back soon. La 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 yeah la 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 yeah la 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 la.
Oh, Lady, thank you so much. You've got all my pets back. You're my favourite engine.
You're welcome, but the chickens have bothered me a little bit. Not to mention the giraffe.
The Fat Controller's next job was for Charlie, the cheeky engine. "Hello, Charlie. I need you to collect some scrap and put it in the bin."
Me? Pick up strap? No, thank you. Good day to you, sir.
Oh dear, maybe the Fat Controller would have better luck with Steve. "Steve, my old reliable friend, could you please pick up some passing coaches from Stedman's farm?"
Okay, boss, I'm on my way. That's it done, boss. I hope I do good.
"Yes, Steve, you've done a great job. Now I only have one more job left, and that's for Molly." "Molly, I need you to take these crates to the crane."
Okay, Fat Control, it's what I do. Just move that over here. Fat Control, it's done.
Another successful day on the island of Sodor. All of Fat Controller's jobs got done on time. Yay! Like and subscribe!